And so now we are in the second part, which is the ad set. So in the ad set, just as always, choose a name to the ad set, city bear USA 1. And traffic, choose where you want to drive traffic. You'll enter more details about the destination later. So of course we want to drive traffic to our website, click website. And now we're going to move to the audiences. So in the audiences, create new audiences or save or use saved audiences. If you already create an audiences and you save them, you can enter them from right here. But we never did that, so we're going to create our new audiences. So based on location, you can browse based on countries, region, or saved location, or you can enter the name of a country. United States. But if you don't want to drive traffic from the entire country, the United States, you can delete the United States and choose based on states. Like for example, New York, New York City. We want to drive based on states. So New York, New York, and Ohio, as well as Florida, United States country, and California. So 4 states are enough. Let's move to the age. So the age I prefer from 13 to, in our case, I think people from between 13 to 55 years old are going to be interested in this product. 55 or 4 years old. Gender, both genders. So I'm going to choose all. And now we're going to move to the detailed targeting. Include people who watch. Your first one, demographic, based on their demographic. And the second one, interest. And the third one, behavior. So let's click demographic. Finance, income. I'm going to choose the top 10 plus the top 10 and 25, as well as the top 5% and the top 25 to 50%. Life events, away from family, away from hometown, new job, new engagements. Family. Parents, relationship. I'm going to choose people married and engaged, and of course not divorced, in a relationship, and not single, open relationship maybe, and okay, that's good. Work. So now we're going to move to the interests: business, industry, internet, family, relationship, fitness, food, hobbies and activities, content, pet, soundcard, travel. Okay. Shopping, fashion, technology. And the third and the last one, which is behavior. So let's look inside behavior. University, digital activities, mobile users, purchase behavior. I'm going to choose engaged shoppers, people who already click buy now in the other previous ads. people on teddy bear. Interest teddy bear, it has 21 million. Second one only 1 million, 21,000 and 2 million. So the first one 21 million. And now let's go to show more options. Language, English all. So only English, and you can save this audiences if you prefer. And the placement, always choose manual placements and choose on Instagram. So in our case, we're creating this ad only for Instagram, so only check Instagram and check Instagram feed and Instagram Explore. So this one is Facebook, Marketplace, feed, video, and stories, Instagram stories. Show more. So devices all mobile devices, and if you click check on this one, your ad is going to be shown only to people who are using Wi-Fi. So landing page, click landing page viewers, and in the end when you're done, click continue.